So yung sinasabi ni Father Orbos na tatlong letter C ng parenting, controlling, coaching at saka consulting. Pasok na pasok yan sa principle na sinishare ko. That parenting is not just provision, it is supervision and transformation. Immediately, I would venture to say, itong controlling, alright, and coaching is still under supervision. Ito namang consultation or consulting is under transformation. Now, natural kung mga maliliit pa yung mga anak natin, we need to control them. What does controlling mean? Regulate them. We need to make sure that they follow rules and regulation at home. They follow what is right. That is controlling. Or simply, a lighter word aside from controlling is regulating. Regulating means our children should follow rules and regulation at home, in school, or somewhere else. The rules in the society. Pero pag naging teenager na sila, hindi na dapat tayo mga parents maging too controlling. Maging coaching na lang tayo. And then what does coaching mean? It is empowering people, including our children, to become leaders like us. Okay? That is coaching. Like for example, in sports like basketball, ang coach doon ay yung leader na nag-guide, nag-inspire, nag-motivate. Ganon ang parent. Guide, we inspire our children, we motivate our children. That's part of coaching. Pagdating ng panahon na medyo stable na yung pag-iisip nila, lalong-lalo na pag nagtatrabaho na yung mga anak natin, we cannot control them anymore. Tapos na yung panahon nating mga parents to control or regulate our children and even coaching. Dahil may sarili na silang pamilya, may sarili na silang trabaho. Iba nga dyan, mga anak natin, mas maganda pa ang trabaho kaysa sa trabaho natin noon. So, kinoconsult na lang natin sila. Now, what does the implication of consulting our children? They become our partners. Kung leader ako ngayon, leader na rin yung anak ko. We can work together. And that is consultation. And consultation, as I was explaining a while ago, huwag mong suluhin ang mundo. You're not a Superman. We need one another. We depend on each other. Let us work together. Mayroon kang kaya na hindi ko kaya. Mayroon akong kaya na hindi mo kaya. Our job is not to compete, but to complete each other. That is part of consultation. And consultation is something beautiful, and more than beautiful, it is powerful. And that is the style of leaders like us. Because when I consult people, including my children, I am actually creating leaders in them. Hindi lang ako ang nag-decide. Kasama ko sila sa thinking, decision-making, and acting or responding. Developing leadership yan sa mga anak natin.